Alright guys, welcome to Clash Royale with your man Warboost. Today we're going to be showing you some tips and tricks on how to use a Graveyard Freeze. Specifically this graveyard here. The only issue that I can say with this deck is when you verse a P.E.K.K.A. Ram, you're going to start tearing up and getting tilted. But let's get into it, let's do some classic challenge, and let's take some freaking crowns. Yeah! Yeah! Let's do it! Alright. Especially with this deck, you're gonna want to wait to put something down until he does. Wait to see if he drops skeletons or something. Wait to see if he didn't drop skeletons. Freeze ready. Freeze, that's fine. Decent damage. Take that damage right now. I don't want to take too much damage from the Spear Goblin, so I'm going to do a split, especially because I think I'm ahead on him. Oh, I'm glad I split it. Hope he drops his Valkyrie here. Wizard! Freeze it! Take that damage. Because I froze that, if he drops Valk, left I'll defend it, but if not, I'm going to have to take the damage. Okay, no. Can't take the damage on the right side. And I don't have my freeze yet, so I need to be a little bit cautious here. I don't want to get overwhelmed. Very possible. I'm kind of glad you did that, because now I can take out the tournament. Wait. Okay. More skeletons. More to him. Squeeze the claw, gonna drop skeletons. Oh, that was a good play. That was a good stop for the skeleton. He's got a lot of split damage right now, so I have to be careful. Save my arc in case I need to take his tower. Right now I'm winning, so all I have to do is defend, especially with Astro Freeze and thing like that. These types of decks with my graveyard deck, more than likely you're gonna win. So I'll do some ladder. Alright, we'll do some ladder. Crimson's really awesome guy, guys. You should totally join Crimson Canada, look us up. Awesome clan, always looking for fun and active players. Alright, we're gonna take it seriously here. Okay, I'm in the zone. Sorry about my washing machine in the background, gotta clean the clothes, you know. Alright. I shall wait patiently. Give him the 30 sign. What you doing, dog? Let's get it done. Dang, I was hoping I was gonna get
Bowling!
Okay. Real nice.
Hey!
At least now I know what he has, and he just used a lot. I hope he wastes his boulder. I'm gonna be patient this time. I'm gonna do archers, graveyard right if he does boulder on either side. So I'll do, you know what I mean. Alright, so we know not to use. Oh, he's. If he had poison, I'd probably tear up. That is got it, guys. We outcycled them. He had no choice but to use their defenses, and we just couldn't. That's why it kind of sucks when you got a deck like that, because like, yeah, it's a good deck, and you can get him if you use it right. Like he would have won for sure. Like if he waited to use that that balloon rage arrows. Like if he would have waited, but he was trying to get it in too early. Like he should have waited, so I would have wasted my cards not knowing he had it, and then came in and smashed me. Like because I knew he had his Electro Dragon, that's why I was able to split it up so much. Luckily, he didn't have Zappy's Electro Dragon, and oh sorry, not Electro Wizard and Electro Dragon. I don't know why I say his Dragon. I meant to say Wizard. But that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. You have any questions? Go in the comments. I'll answer 100%. It's nice playing with you guys. Have a good one.